Good day to you. How are you now?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, kindly greet your employer and tell something about yourself.
Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm Rona Villa. I'm 30 years old and I'm graduated in BS Agriculture major in Animal Science. And I am married and I have one daughter. And I live in Purokle, Wayway, San Pablo, Tacorong City, Philippines. Yeah.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. And I finished my contract in Kuwait before for 2 years, and I take care of two children, 4 years old and 2 years 1 year old, and I also help them to clean and in the house and cleaning and laundry, everything when I'm free for the children. And I have experience also in Dubai for 2 years also, and I take care of children for 3 years old and 2 years old also. And also same as in Kuwait, I cleaning and ironing and laundry and cooking.
Okay, so since you take care of little children, so sometimes they get sick. So what will you do when that time comes?
First, I will check the body temperature, and second, and I call my employer to inform them what the situation of their children.
Okay, for an instance that you cannot contact your employer, so what will you do?
I will bring them to the nearest hospital to check
To have medication.
the medication.
Okay, so sometimes little children also are naughty. So for you, like a mother, or because you're also a mother, right?
Yes, yes.
So what will you do?
We need the patient for the children, right? Then I will teach them what is bad and good. Then I teach them also the good moral good moral values, and try to them to what we call this. We need to I try to play to give toys for them to become behave.
Okay, very good. So, how about doing marketing job? Are you also willing to do?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
willing.
can you do it alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm
so I think homesickness is not a problem with you. Is that
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, because in Middle East you don't have day off.
Yes, we don't have day off in the Middle East.
Okay. How about taking care of an elderly person? Are you also willing to do?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Okay. So, what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
My reason is to earn much more salary and to help my family also financially.
Okay, very good. So, can you give us your final message to your future employer?
Mom, sir, can you hire me if I please choose me as your helper, and I will give my best to do my duty, and also to finish my 2 years contract for you.
Okay. Can you promise to your future employer that you will be more patient and loyal to them?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay. Can you promise that you will be honest?
Yes, I'm willing.
Okay, very good. I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.